Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to biology class. This is me, Miss Sophia Yaqub. The chapter we are studying is biodiversity. Let's have a recap. In this chapter, till now we have studied about classification and its history, in which we studied about different scientists who contributed in classification. And then we studied 2, 3 and 5 kingdom classification system. Let's find out what are we going to study today by an example. Tim got a cat and named him Tommy, while his mother named the cat Rocky. And now Cat got confused that to which name he should respond, as it was called by two different names at the same time. Same is the case here. One single organism may called by different names in different regions, and it creates confusion for the scientist. One organism can have different species, and calling all of them with the same name creates confusion. To sort out this problem, a method was given. And we are going to study about that method. That method is known as binomial nomenclature, and it is our topic today. Binomial nomenclature is the method of giving scientific name to the living organisms. Bi means two, nomial means name. Nomenclature means the system of choosing names of things. This system was introduced by Carolus Linnaeus in 18th century, whom you can see in the picture. Now let's see why there was a need of giving scientific name to the living organism. There was a need of this system because common name caused many problems. For example, different regions have different names for same organism. As onion in Pakistan is known as pyaz, ganda, basal. In different region it is called by different names. Likewise, different organisms are called by same name in different regions. For example, crow and raven are known as blackbird in different regions. Common names have no specific basis. For example, according to biological classification, fish must have vertebral column, gills, and fins. Many other organisms are commonly named fish, while they do not fit the biological definition of fish. For example, starfish, crayfish, jellyfish. They are not indeed fish, they do not have vertebral column, fins, or gills. We have seen how common name cause problems and confusions. Now we are going to see that how binomial nomenclature is significant to avoid these problems. So to avoid these problem and confusion, organisms are given scientific name by using binomial nomenclature. These scientific names are used all over the world by scientists, and it provides stability and clarity of the names. Same names can be used all over the world and irrespective of the language, and it avoids the confusion and difficulty of translation. Now let's see what are the rules of binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature is consisted of two names. The first name is the genus and the second name is species. For example, Allium cepa. Allium is genus and species is cepa. The first and very important rule is scientific names are typed in italics, as you can see here, and when handwritten they are underlined, as you can see here. The second rule is whenever we type or write scientific name, the first name, that is a generic name, is always begun with capital letter, while the second name, that is the species name, is never capitalized. As you can see here, Allium cepa, A is capitalized while C is not. The third rule is if the scientific name is used again and again in a paragraph or a list of the same genus, then it is abbreviated. As you can see here, the Allium is abbreviated into A, and you can write the name like A.cepa. Let me give you few examples of scientific name. The scientific name of humans is Homo sapiens, and the scientific name of starfish is Estrus rubens, and for house crow it is Corvus splendens. So it was all about today. We studied about binomial nomenclature, that is the method of giving scientific name to the living organism. Now there are assignment questions for you. Describe aim and principle of binomial nomenclature. And the second question is, what is the significance of binomial nomenclature? Good luck.